The Hikulangi Sculpture Park in Liku is about to be open to the public after being in hiatus for a decade. The initial purpose of the project was to create a venue for local international artists to experiment with their individual and collective ideas. Project coordinator and local artist Mark Cross says their work on the park is progressing well and that there is room for local contributions towards the art pieces, namely the main sculpture that stands some 6 meters high. The project merges contemporary art and highlights environmental concerns. This area will also serve as Niue's contribution to the worldwide 350 campaign efforts using contemporary art sculptures with an environmental theme to it.
It's got an environmental theme, I guess, using local materials and also, most importantly, the recycled stuff that people just throw away in their everyday lives. And not only stuff from home, but also industrial stuff that is obsolete. And we're using that to create sculptures, basically. That's the vision anyway.
The sculpture park will be open to the public on the 10th of October as part of the 10-10-10-350 worldwide campaign.